Hello, welcome to my channel. Today the question is log 2a plus log 2 log b base 4 is equal to 3, and the second equation is log 6a plus b is equal to 1. Now solution. First equation is log 2a plus 2 log b 4 is equal to 3, and the second equation is log 6 a plus b is equal to 1. Now here the base is 2 and the in second term base is 4. First we make base uniform. First we make base uniform. Then log 2a plus 2 log we use log a b is equal to log b base c over log a base c. Then log 2 base 2 b over log base 2 4 is equal to 3 is equal to 3. Now log 2a plus 2 log 2b over log base 2. Here we can write it 4 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2. Then we write it. Now log we use log a b square is equal to 2 log a and b. We use this formula log a base 2 plus 2 log b base 2 over 2 log 2 is equal to 3. Now this 2 is cancelled with this 2. Then as we know, as we know, log x is equal to 1. Therefore log 2a plus log 2b is equal to 3 is equal to 3. Now by using log a b is equal to log a plus log b. Then log 2 AB is equal to 3. Now changing into exponential form. Changing into exponential form. AB is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. AB is equal to 8. AB is equal to 8. Now this is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. Now for second equation, log 6 A plus B is equal to 1. Now changing into exponential form. A plus B is equal to 6 raised to the power 1. This is our equation number 2. From equation 2, B is equal to 6 minus A. B is equal to 6 minus A. This is our equation number 3. Now A B is equal to 8. A B is equal to 8. Then A into 6 minus A is equal to 8. Now we simplify it. 6A minus A square is equal to 8. Now we write in the 8 in the simplest form. Then it is equal to A square minus 6A, A square minus 6A plus 8 is equal to 0. Now product is equal to 8 and sum is equal to 6. Possible pairs are 8, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 2 1. Then possible pairs are 8 and 1, 4 and 2. Now A square minus 4A minus 2A. Here 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore this pair is used for the solution. Plus 8 is equal to 0. A taking common, A minus 4 minus 2 common, A minus 4 is equal to 0. Now A minus 4 a minus 2 is equal to 0. Now a minus 4 is equal to 0. A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Putting in 3. B is equal to 6 minus A. B is equal to 6 minus 4. B is equal to 2. A minus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2. Putting in 3. Putting in 3. Putting in 3. B is equal to 6 minus 4. B is equal to 6 minus A. B is equal to 6 minus 2. B is equal to 4. Here the pair is 4 and 2. 4 and 2. And the here pair is 2, 4. Therefore, our solution is 4, 2, 2, 4. Thanks.